7 reasons why Mac OS is awesome. Number 1. Macs come with some great pre-installed applications for free. When you buy a Mac, it comes with an impressive collection of very useful apps out of the box, including Photos, iMovie, GarageBand, Pages, Numbers, Keynote, FaceTime, Maps, and more already installed. So you'll be able to edit photos, make movies, create music, and get your work done right off the bat, which for most people will be all they need. There's also a Mac version of the App Store, which grants you access to a world of additional apps that you can install on your Mac. Number 2. Seamless experience with other Apple devices and services. Mac OS is seamlessly compatible with other Apple devices using another operating system like iOS in iPhone and iPad OS in iPad. Moreover, the interface in Mac OS and iOS is very much similar to each other. This makes things very easy and convenient for users of Mac OS and iOS. Apart from the ease of use, the users can also sync their files and other data in iCloud and access or edit them using different Apple devices. Number 3. Ease of use. If you are an iPhone user, you'll get used to Mac OS in no time at all. That's because Apple makes the GUI, that is graphical user interface, very similar in all its products like iPhones, Macs, iPads and iWatches. Even if you've never used an Apple product before, the interface is so user-friendly, it makes macOS very easy to use. Number 4. Software and hardware are designed for better integration. This is one of the best benefits about macOS. All the workspaces and applications run very smoothly without any signs of hiccups or hanging. This is because Apple designs and manufactures its own hardware. As the hardware and software are designed by the same company, the software-hardware integration drastically increases the efficiency of all the devices. Number 5. Less vulnerable to malware and security issues. Apple regularly provides security updates for the entire operating system and its apps. All the apps in the App Store are safe to install as people who upload their apps on it are verified Apple developers. This doesn't mean that Mac OS is prone to malware, but it makes it one of the safest operating systems out there. Number 6. You can run Windows on Mac if you want to. If you want all the benefits of macOS, but you also need Windows for certain reasons like gaming or any Windows-specific app, then macOS allows you to install Windows OS on your Mac using an inbuilt app called Boot Camp Assist. But you can't install a seamless macOS on any other operating system. Number 7. Customer support. Apple has skilled engineers who help the user in fixing issues in their hardware and software. Mac users get good response from its support team as compared to any other operating systems. So these were a few reasons why Mac OS is awesome. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more such content.